When traditional power encounters extreme working conditions, we choose to redefine the rules. The Hengguang HW17DT-GL hydrostatic bulldozer has officially debuted. Equipped with an electronically controlled hydrostatic drive system, it achieves stepless speed change and load-carrying steering, pushing boundaries with its unmatched power. Hardcore performance subverts tradition. Equipped with a top-tier domestic electronically controlled engine, it meets China for emission standards and features intelligent switching between 3 power modes, perfectly balancing power and energy consumption. Its dual-circuit electronically controlled hydrostatic drive system offers stepless speed regulation and on-the-spot steering, ensuring smooth maneuverability in all operating conditions. Intelligent Control Pioneer, driving at your will. The full-screen display terminal allows for clear fault self-diagnosis. ECO mode and slip rate control reduce fuel consumption and increase efficiency. The electronically controlled single handle and pilot hydraulics allow for easy micro-manipulation. The suspended pedal design provides enhanced comfort. Ingenious design, fearless of challenges. The extended ground-connected chassis is rock solid, and the high ground clearance allows you to conquer even the most challenging terrain. The 6-sided, integrated cab, 4-point shock absorption, and air conditioning and USB charging make the ultimate driving experience easier than ever. Reliability-based, worrying-free choice. External valve group and side-opening protective cover make maintenance easy to reach. Modular structure has a lower failure rate, ensuring efficiency never stops. Intelligent and efficient, a secure future. The Hengguang HW17DT-GL bulldozer embodies reliability through innovation and empowers efficiency with technology. Choose Hengguang and choose the power of sustained leadership.